The greatest obstacles in the path of what you're seeking to accomplish are in your mind. William James, the father of American psychology, has been quoted to say that the greatest discovery of any generation is that a human can alter his life by altering his attitude. The entrepreneur Mary Kay Ash has advised people not to limit themselves, since many people do just that with their ideas of what they can or cannot do. You can go as far as your mind allows you to go. That which you can believe, you can achieve. The power of the mind has been a topic for discussion for millennia. Fields such as quantum physics and neuropsychology have seen numerous scientific studies which have helped us understand better the connection of mind and body. Every one of us has huge potential. You listening to this right now are no exception, since the same laws governing everything and everyone don't make an exception for anyone. A huge part of the potential of the human being still remains untapped. By further using the resources of the mind and by developing it, one can overcome challenges he hasn't ever dared to hope rising above. Whether your problems revolve around physical fitness, business, obesity, health, or some other life area, you tend to notice your problems are solvable as long as you see solving of the problem as something that's possible. You can use the power of your mind to either improve or worsen your health. One's limiting beliefs, bad attitude, and pessimistic thoughts can worsen one's happiness and state of health. For instance, when you believe something is not possible to achieve, the whole thought makes you passive to even find more data about the subject. Just changing the way of thinking to something more positive activates you to find a solution to the situation, let alone also improving your health. The key to a healthy life is a healthy mind, as the Professor Richard Davidson has said. There's a direct link between the mind and the body, which means the two are not irrespective of each other, but continuously affect each other. Feelings and thoughts affect the immune system, cells, your DNA, and hormones in the body. When mental obstacles are out of the way, a human being is able of the most amazing feats, whether it be being cured from a terrible disease or accomplishing a record performance in sports. For example, people used to think the 5-minute mile run was impossible, and obviously nobody was being successful at it. But then one person did it, and once people had proof it was possible, a lot more started achieving the same.